Okay, welcome guys, and nice to see you here. Hello everyone, I am Nora, and it's very exciting to host the Crypto Market Insight session with our guest. Today, we are thrilled to have with us our guest who will be sharing their opinions on the market trends. As a host of today's discussion, I'll be leading us through a thought provoking conversation that promises to be both informative and engaging. So, whether you are an experienced crypto user or just getting started, we encourage you to sit back, relax, and join us for what is sure to be an enlightening discussion on this week's market performance, trends, and hotspots. While the live session is broadcasting on CoinW Live channel and CoinW's YouTube channel, yeah, and welcome all to watch and leave your opinions or questions about market, coin, etc. in the comment. Our guest will pick up some to answer and welcome our guest here and yeah, in this part, we would like our guest to share your market insights on any crypto tokens you want to talk about. Please be free to share the screen to let us watch your charts. Okay, and firstly, let's welcome uh, Jay. It's okay for you?
Oh, yeah,
Yeah,
I'm okay. Sure,
sure.
sure, sure. Give me a sec.
Okay, Jay, we can see your screenshot, but okay, yeah.
Sorry, sorry. Sorry, I got silent. Yeah. Let's get to the point. I didn't expect to break 4K, but if this thing break, god damn it, this thing's gonna be lower. This thing's gonna be lower, but still gonna give a chance to maybe this thing can pull and close above 43950. If can close above 3950, because this is some kind of, yeah, look at this, some kind of it's not major, this is not major, what's it called, mm, it's a minor support. So but if we can close above 4K, which is around this area, 4064 or 4127, it's better because this is major, guys. This is major support. But right now, let's wait and see, because things getting choppy, because tomorrow we got core PCE, and we also got fix volta index that I didn't expect to perform. I didn't expect it, but it is what it is. So volta index, I expect, uh let's see, if fix cannot reclaim around above 1950 like this, so that means we still bearish on this. So if fix is bearish, that means we can get a pump on every high risk asset such as crypto and gold. And let's see, let's see. All right, but if this thing end up higher low, lower than this one, this spike, so that means good. So we'll see, guys. And the dominance also the same. We are some kind of on the first, uh around 618, 688. So this is some kind of my own golden zone. If this thing can hold, that means it's good. But right now it's getting a shake up a little bit. Not a little bit, it's kind of a lot. The shake up is kind of a lot, because like yesterday I was longing some alts and they end up coming back. Like SNX, look at this. What the fuck? It's coming back. I mean, like, what What the and some alts I got stop loss while I longing it. But don't worry, guys. We gonna building more position, but I still got my BTC. I don't know if I can survive my BTC. But if I cannot survive, so that means I have to buy lower. So if I have to buy lower, so this is my target for BTC. All right. There is two. No, no, no. This is not include. This is not include. Why this is not include? If this thing include, so okay, okay. Here's the deal. If 105, yeah, it's break, it's over, guys. It's over. It's over. I mean, like, I mean, it's over for the bull run. It's over for the alt season. But if this thing is only like a week and get back up, it's fine. It's fine. Judging from here, we still got dollar sloping trend line from this to this and to this. So weeks still tolerable, but break, nah, hell nah. Because we got factors here, and when there's factors, there is liquidity, lot of liquidity right here. So weeks still okay, or just like a little bit touching right here, still fine, still fine, still fine. And after that, if you wanna grinding, 100, 500 also still okay, but we cannot break 105. All right, we cannot break, we cannot break. So if this thing weak, must get back up. And this is like one, two. If we can, if we don't make higher on this, I think we're gonna do this another one for W or double bottom. It's more like this. Okay, so I got no more outs. So maybe the others got some chart to do. So this is for me this week. Thank you,
Yeah,
Nora.
yeah, sure, sure. Thank you for Jay, and that's incredible. So, let's hear from Parasophine. Yeah, you hear Parasophine? Okay. Yeah.
Hello, Nora. Nice to have you. Thank you for having me. I'm going to share my screen right now. If you can hear me clearly. Can you hear me clearly? Okay. Okay. So currently, I'm just going to talk on Bitcoin. I've really not traded much this week. So I'm just going to talk. I'm just going to give my insights on Bitcoin. All right. So what I have on Bitcoin, as we can see, the current price on Bitcoin, as you can see, the current price of Bitcoin. We had a push down, you know, since last week Thursday till date actually. I wanted to set a buy order for Bitcoin at 114,800. But it didn't get to. I didn't get a confirmation around the support level at that price, which was 114,800. So I decided to buy at the price. Um, you know, so I decided to hold on. Actually, I decided to hold on to see how the market retraces. And by the time I am, you know, as at yesterday, it went all the way to 11200, and currently we can see that the price is 11091. So the level, I think the market is actually still retracing. I've actually cancelled all my orders because I had orders on Bitcoin, Ethereum, Celestia, and Boom. But the market has been retracing since the beginning of this week. So the level at which I wanted to enter the market was really high compared to how it has dropped now. So I was actually waiting for a strong support level, but it wasn't good enough for a possible buy position. So if you see the confirmation, this is the 4 hour trade, 4 hour time frame. There is give me a minute.
Okay, so that's all for Persify.
No, that's not all. Sorry, I have a bit of network issue. I'm trying to figure it out. Okay, so as I was saying, I was seeing a minor, not necessarily a strong support level, but it wasn't good enough for a possible buy position. So if we see confirmation on the 4 hour time frame, on that same level of 11200, I'll be able to. I'm actually waiting for it to retrace back all the way to 110. I get yes, 110. So if it comes all the way down to 110, I think I'll be having a buy position. Same thing with Ethereum. Ethereum has been reducing drastically since the beginning of this week, and I'm looking forward to it getting to 3,800, and I might possibly place a buy order on Ethereum. One of the reasons I've been placing more of a buy order than sell order is because currently I think that the market is in its bullish phase. So obviously we'll get more profit from buying than selling. But currently the market is really down. Is really really down. Nobody really expects that it's going to go as down as this. So basically I've just been looking at Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Boom. Same thing with Boom too. But I don't think I have that on my trading view. But that's basically the coins that I've been checking on right now. I think I'll set my buy order on Ethereum when it gets to 3,800 actually. So I think that's all I have for today.
Yeah, sure, sure. That's great. Thank you for Persify. And then let's invite Priya. Yeah.
Yeah, hi Nora. Welcome everyone. So yes, today market. I think everyone is little bit upset about the market condition today. So we get panic about the situation. So let's see what is expected from the market. And today it's under pressure actually. And because of this pressure, you can notice that Bitcoin was dropped nearly. It found a new support actually. So it's keep on trying to find a new support, and this is 110.9. It was found the support. And what's gonna happen next? Because if it's not a final support, and what going to be the next? And what I think is right now, this candle has a bigger volume, and also we have a longer lower wick. And if it forms as like a bullish candle with the based of a hammer based pattern, market will give a pullback. If it's breaks below then the support, and actually we are so the deeper correction, that is the only thing we can expect from the market. So even not only the Bitcoin, and every coin is facing the same pressure as Ethereum is also. And right now, Ethereum, so overall market, the slippage you can see that is nearly $3.9 trillion. So and also the daily trading volume around $190 billion. So what currently we are seeing with this reaction is because of upcoming US inflation data, of course. which could also influence a Federal Reserve's next move. The traders are so nervous, and yes, everyone is getting nervous right now because we invested for the upcoming all season, and this is making us to get fear from the moment. So just chill and relax, and whatever happening is a correction, just keep it in mind, and whatever the price you have bought, that is expected to reach more than that the price of the tokens. So don't need to get nervous, and this is showing that these are the liquidations actually, and over $1 billion is leveraged positions were wiped out recently because the downtrend, you can see that from a morning onwards I have seen this dump towards this market, not only BTC and Ethereum. So I expect somewhere, so whether this is going to be the final support or here, but it's keep on the support is we are finding it. There is no end for to find the support. That is how the market is reacting right now. So don't get panic. So in a simple terms, we can say this is isn't about the fundamental collapsing. Just keep it in mind. So it's more of a leverage washout, and Bitcoin is still holding a key support range in between 110 to 114K. So yeah, so that we have to keep in mind, and even Ethereum also holding its support, but it also broken below than 4K. That is in afternoon itself. I have seen. Sorry, so Ethereum was broken below 4K, and right now it was right now trading with closer to 4K. It was trading that we can easily notice, and the new support. And for the Ethereum also, we are finding the new supports all the time. So whatever we are currently looking forward is everything is not a fundamental collapse. So just it's a leverage. It's more of the leverage washout, and it holds, we could also see the rebound. So if it holds on the same support level, it will absolutely will rebound, and if not, and there is a risk, of course, of a deeper correction into the market. But for now, some sentiment is really cautious one, and my view, which is short term shakeout is going on, and long term fundamentals remain stronger right now. Okay, so that is the only thing that will give us a hope to be strong always, and especially with the institutions and regulators pushing this industry forward. So it's a patience and risk management time. It's actually so just make your position stronger, and everything is gonna be get normal so sooner. Thank you.
Okay, that's great. Thank you for your analysis. Thank you for Priya. And I forgot to mention that our audience can join our official community to claim the 20 USDT bonus rewards. And please check the live details for the link. Yeah, and then I would like to uh, dive into the next part. I have some questions about the market trends and I would like to discuss with our traders. Yeah, I will share my screen now. Okay. Yeah, the first one, well, following the Federal Reserve's rate cut, markets faced a notable pullback. Which factors triggered this decline and are hidden risks building up in the market? Has the correction bottomed out or should we expect more downside pressure? Yes, three questions, and I hope our guests, our traders can help us answer all of these questions. Yeah, and let's first invite Jay. It's okay.
Yeah, I'm okay today. I got no trading.
Okay.
It depends of tomorrow. Core PCE. If tomorrow the result is sucks or bad, oh my god, we might come for 105 for sure. 80% we might come for 105. But if today we can defend Bitcoin above the support 110 and 600, so I think we're fine. I think we're fine. So that means this is just a shake up, and this is the bottom. Today is the bottom. So we got two. But if we cannot defend 110 and we close tomorrow below 110, 600, god damn it, guys. 105 for sure. 105 sure. But right now, everything is still kind of like performing, such as gold. But gold is kind of like pulling back. I know gold has been all-time high in the past, sorry, on the Tuesday. And we also got SPY on all-time high also, and QQQ. I think QQ, yeah, QQQ is also. So on QQQ on Monday is Nasdaq. So eh, what else do we got? I think we got SPY or SNP. SNP also like on Monday. So the key is SNP and Nasdaq is positive correlative with Bitcoin. So if they having a bottom today, so that's Bitcoin. So that's Bitcoin. But if they came for a little bit lower, so that's Bitcoin. All right. So I think this thing still gonna make all of those SPY, Nasdaq, uh, gold, and crypto. They all can make a new all-time high, but in crypto, not everything is all-time high, guys. Not everything, but for Bitcoin and it for sure. But uh, that's why, guys. Next month is the bullish month. So in this month, if we got shake up until maybe the end of the month, you know, don't worry, don't worry, don't worry. But next month for sure, I believe 70% probability I'm gonna be. It's gonna be like party and easy to make money. But right now, just stay calm, guys. Stay calm. All right. So that's for me, Nora.
That's great. Thanks for your answer. And Jay, may I ask, yeah, according to this situation, do you have any suggestion for the normal traders?
What kind of suggestion for the normal trader?
Like invest suggestions?
My suggestion is keep buying when it's cheap, because because I only can say this, guys. It might be the last time to be cheap. Next time, everything is expensive, and you're just gonna be FOMO, guys, and you're just gonna buy expensive. So when it's cheap, when it's still cheap, just buying, just buying. Like I told you guys, 80%, 80%. Next month is going to be bullish October. I always remember every October on the 4 year cycle, I always making money like really, really crazy. So I've been around since out season run one. Is it 2017? And last cycle, the COVID cycle, 2020, 2021, and this is my third outside out season. So every October is 80% bullish. So let's see if this October next month we can get the bullishness. So when it's cheap, just keep buying. That's it, Nora.
Yeah, sure. That's great. Let's see in the October. And yeah, back to this question. Let's invite Parasify. Okay, do you have any? Yeah.
Okay, so what I think about the Fed cutting the rate and why the market went down all of a sudden. Normally, when the Federal Reserve, that is the Fed rate, when they cut the interest rate, it is expected that the market would boost, and people would keep buying, 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 because because borrowing becomes cheaper for businesses and consumers. But this time the market went all the way down, and I think the reason is because a lot of people are not sure if the Fed cut rate acted really right, or if it's just behind the curve. So people are really wondering if they acted right, if it's just behind the curve, or maybe the economy is weaker than they actually thought. So some risks that can be involved is Um, okay, I'm sorry, I'm trying to read the question again. The traffic law Okay, so expecting more downside pressure, I think that the market is continually going to go down. Like I said earlier in the analysis, I said that I'm expecting Bitcoin to get all the way to 110. It can actually, he actually got there like not quite long. He actually got to 110 like not quite long. You can also see Ethereum. Ethereum also got to 3,900, and I'm expecting it to actually retrace more. I'm expecting Bitcoin to go all the way to 109, 110, and Ethereum to 3,800. So currently, I think the market is still very volatile and is still retracing. So I think currently it's still going down. So basically, the Fed cuts gave both hope and fear. And until when the market starts gaining momentum, then we can say if it's a good way to enter and order in the market. But currently, the market is still getting down. I expect it to go below the current price actually.
Yeah, yeah, sure. Thanks for your answer. And yeah, do you have anything to share? Okay, so
Hello.
first of all, okay, Priya.
Yes, yeah, shall I?
Okay, yeah, yeah, sure.
Okay. So right. So the factor which triggered the decline. So although we know that the Fed rate cut was expected one. So the market reaction was a classic case of buying the rumor, uh, which is sell the news. Of course, many investors also took profits after the rally. At the same time, traders are so cautious about the inflation data and the future Fed policy. So this is making a heavy leverage in crypto derivatives caused a forced liquidations, which accelerated the pullback. As we are looking right now to the market condition, which I can tell you that even whatever the trigger factors we are seeing, we can make our profits in any case. Even if it's a bear market or bull market, we can make our profits. If you are an intraday trader, a swing trader, whatever might be, if you are making your trade every day, there is opportunity for to make your profits in any case, even if it's a bear or bull, just by making a short or long position. So that is no such kind of bigger risk for the daily traders, but the risk is here, of course, for the long-term holders who are waiting for the all season, of course. So first, I think the leverage is still very high, and which also makes the market fragile. And second, global liquidity is uneven right now. So if a risk sentiment shifts, crypto could also see the sharp outflows, and finally, the regulatory tightening in key markets adds a short-term uncertainty. So these are not actually a fatal risk, but they are increased volatility. That is the reason, as I already informed about the volatility. So that is liquidity is keep on increasing because of it, and that is where the drop in risk we are seeing along with it. So Bitcoin, which is already the Bitcoin support fee, it's keep on managing the same support. So if this level was holds, we could also see the rebound. And if it breaks, of course, market will face a more collapse. The long-term fundamentals, like institutional adoption and ETF flows, are remain so strong till now. So that's what my suggestion.
Yeah, yeah, sure. So, thanks for Priya and thanks for your answer. So, Priya, may I add one more question? So,
Yes.
in your own perspective, investment strategies according to this according to this situation. Yeah.
Okay, so in this situation, we are seeing that the market is in a PR. So, what kind of stuff we can do? It's of course the risk management. It's making a dollar cost averaging. This is also the opportunity for every time when the market has drops. Those are the opportunity for us to make a average for our investment. And if you don't have an asset, just what the thing. What is happening in the market, just stay calm and hold tightly, because before the bigger bull run, these are the small up struggles. No need to get worried about it, and always have a dream for big, and that will happen for sure. So my suggestion for you, so just make a dollar cost average if you hold if you have some asset. Otherwise, just stay calm and hold.
Yeah, yeah, sure. Thanks for your suggestion. And let's move on to this question two. Yeah, AI. AI is still a hot narrative in US stocks, yet AI tokens in crypto seem to lag behind. Do you follow this sector, and are there any tokens you believe hold real trading potential? Yeah, the tokens question. Well, yeah. So Jay first.
Yeah. I talking. Uh, Actually, I just watched this on Monday. The Power Speak. It mentioned on AI because AI is brand new stuff with the chip, and AI is still new and still developed. So when you see it's lagging, it's not. I mean, like some product, the one that not doing nothing behind the scene. So the dev is just like talk and maybe scam all that. Nah, yeah, they do nothing. But some like WLD or others like GRT and render, they're still doing something behind the screen. But if you don't see plugging it, but it's not the time yet for the AI narrative, because right now is the time for the big caps. So that's why you guys seeing it, Sol, AVAX, and but right now it's the big caps first, and then like the middle caps, maybe AI can catching up after. So maybe by October or November you can see AI, and then after AI, don't forget about meme. So are there any token you believe hold real trading potential? Yeah, WLD, because the Sam Altman, the creator of the ChatGPT, uh, I prefer him rather than Elon, because like he's clever but he's silent. But Elon clever but he talk too much. He chill a lot. But I still prefer like uh Sam Altman, because like I think he can develop something on the AI world. So that's my answer.
Yeah, yeah, sure, exactly. It's not the right time for AI sectors. Well, do you think it's a deep time for AI tokens that we can buy in?
Yes,
Okay.
definitely.
Yeah, 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 got it. Thank you for Jay. And then let's hear from Persify.
All right. So, my take on it is that currently we know that AI stocks, are soaring because they already make money from real products. While AI crypto tokens, we have the likes of Render, we have the likes of Singularity Net, we have the likes of Pet AI. These coins are still high risk bets, that are traded more on hype than proven news. So currently, I think traders, investors, or companies don't really use this AI cryptocurrencies currently, but they are traded more on hype. Like I said, that most of those meme coins that are traded on hype, they really don't have like a long term use. Actually, they are just for short term use. So currently, AI stocks are soaring because they make more money from real products, and while the AI crypto tokens are still very very much high risk bets, and because they are traded on hype. than actually use it. So I think that is the question I have. I believe that's the answer I have for that question.
Yeah, yeah, sure. Thanks for Persify. And yeah, Persify, do you have any AI tokens you are more likely to recommend? And can you share some?
Yes, that's why I said earlier that we have the likes of Singularity Net, we have the likes of Render, we have Set AI. So these tokens have come out like um, since last year, I guess, actually. So I just want to search more on Render. Okay, so I'm seeing now that Render provides decentralized GPU power for AI and 3D rendering. Think of it as, renting computer power through crypto, while Fetch AI focuses on AI agents that can automate tasks like trading, logistics, or data sharing. And I mentioned Singularity Net, which is a marketplace for AI services, which try to let developers share and monetize AI models. So these tokens have communities and partnerships that give them some trading potential, but there are still speculations about them because most of these AI tokens are actually popular because of hype through some celebrities, some companies, or some investors. So those are the AI tokens that I know about for now.
Oh, yeah, yeah, sure. Incredible. And yeah, for this token you mentioned, may I ask if it's the right time to buy in this month?
All right, so I've not really analyzed the market on this particular token because I'm not much of a meme coin trader. I really don't like trading meme coins because I feel like these coins don't have long term visibility rather than short term. So I don't really trade meme coins because I feel like at any time it can be rock pulled and I always like place a buy order on most of my coins. I always try to analyze the market and see where I can place my buy order. So for meme coin, I don't really trade meme coin, so I can't really specify the coin to actually look into. But I feel like users or audience should actually make their research on these coins. I mentioned Render, Fetch AI, and Singularity Net. So I think you audience should actually make their research and see if they are good coins.
Yeah, yeah, sure. Thanks for your answer. And that's great. Let's invite Priya. Okay.
Yes, okay. So when it comes to the AI, everywhere there is AI, and many projects where we are seeing with the AI. So I do follow this AI sector in crypto, of course. Right now, with for the AI tokens, these are lagging behind the AI stock boom because most projects are still early stage and they don't yet have the same revenue or adoption that the companies like many companies and like Nvidia or Microsoft they are showing. But that said, that a few standouts look interesting, like somewhat many projects we are seeing. But when we say about the AI, the main stuff we require is about to provide the GPU power, isn't it? So graphics is so important for the AI to offer us the result to provide the results so faster. So in that category, I can also look forward with the render and. We also have the decentralized AI. So the project which has it, of course, the TAO, it's BitTensor, so which I'm looking forward with those. So both have a real utility and also a growing community, whatever sub projects it might be. So do your own research, of course, that is very important before investing. So it's my suggestion to go with both because the GPU power is most important than anything with AI. So as well, the decentralized network is also important. So um, the projects are worth watching, and also it's combines several AI protocols into one. So also, the thing is, risk remain, and many tokens are driven by hype. Of course, so tokenomics can be tricky, and adoption is not guaranteed. But for traders, these tokens have strong narrative potential and could also see the big moves if the AI theme heats up again in a crypto. Yeah.
Yeah, sure. Thanks for Priya, and we can see it's really have big potential. And yeah, let's move on to the last question. Yeah, question three. With BNB topping 1,000 and Solana surpassing the 250 during last week's surge, do they still offer solid long opportunities for traders? Yes, BNB and Solana. Yes. Yeah, which one is better? Yeah, for you, Jay.
Uh, it's always about risk and reward. So I'm gonna pick Solana because let me see how much Solana. If you bought it, like I did during the FTX crash, you might be do like another 50x or even like 100. Let me check. I think I bought it around six 16 something. Yeah. 9, 10. Sorry, 20x. But with this kind of thing, so just a little bit for Solana. But Solana got what's called cup and handle right now. So I bet from this to 500 ish can go around 2x. So I'm gonna pick Solana if you just give me the option on Solana and BNB because BNB, I think just thousand thousand six or 1,008 or just maybe like 2,000. I think for BNB is already too strong because like the utility is only using for the fees and for the discount on the platform on the Binance platform. So yeah, for that reason, just 2x or 1x. So I'm gonna pick Solana because Solana probably can give us more than 2x from this from the price of the 200 bucks. So okay, that's for me.
Oh yeah, sure. Solana seems to have more opportunities for traders. And let's hear from Persifying.
All right, so with BNB taking $1,000 and Solana passing 15. Okay, so there are strong projects with room to grow, but after a big surge, it's like jumping on like a fast trend. You can still make money, but you could also get thrown around if it suddenly slows down, just like BNB and Solana. So if you quickly just jump on it when you know it's rising up fast, that's the way it could actually just reduce all the way back. It's just like some meme coins that when they just first release them, obviously we know how meme coins can be when at first release. When they first release them, it surged all the way very high, very, very high. And in that moment, if you enter at that moment, just be expecting a rock pull or just be expecting it to retrace below your entry price. So I think that's what I have to say. You can still make money, but you could also get thrown around, if it suddenly slows down. So that's it. That's what I have to say.
Yeah, sure. Thank you for your suggestion. And last one, let's hear from Priya.
Yeah. So yes, BNB and Solana. both has impressive runs last week. So which is touched its four digits, $1,000. And Solana also breaks above to $250. So this question is now whether the momentum can continue or not. So that might be. So for me, up to me, for BNB, the rally also reflects a strong ecosystem demand and reduced selling pressure. So as long it holds about 950 in 950 to 1000 k, there is support. If it is a support, it can still be a solid long opportunity, but upside may be also be more gradual from here. Right, so this is a thought about the BNB, and when it comes to the Solana, breaking 250 was big psychological move with the Solana, and if it holds about an 242 in between 245, the traders could also look for continuation. When it drops below the end, it could be a risk again. But the given how the sharp the surge was and short term pullbacks are very possible if it holds on the same support for BNB and the Solana. So my view both remains long term bullish, but in the near term, traders need to be patient and look for a good entry zones after the pullbacks rather than chasing the highs always.
Yeah, sure, it's too high. And Priya, well, in your side, do you join in the ecosystem of BNB or do you know something of it?
As of course, I'm a beyond the holder too. So I'll actually with the beyond the it's always like a strong actually. So I have been with the beyond the when the price was in a bottom level, and I'm really happy to see that it was being with this thousand, and the ecosystem so stronger actually. That is why it has a higher demand, and also reduced the selling pressure with the BNB.
Yeah, yeah, sure. Thank you for your answer. And yeah, that's all for today. And thank you for all joining us today. And I believe today's live stream is very important for our audience under this market. And be sure to keep eye on CoinW and our esteemed guest. Follow the Twitter accounts as they will continue to share valuable insights on the world of crypto. Stay safe and take care about your sport. And good luck for our audience. And don't forget to join our community to claim the rewards. Yeah, thank you guys, and see you next time.